Hello guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I would like to show you how to recover deleted Dropbox files. I have a file in my Dropbox, so this is a folder with one file. You can easily open it, and here you'll find this peak. Let's just delete this folder. Click on the three dots icon and click on delete. Okay, delete it. And now how I can recover this folder. All you need to do is just click on the home button on the left side, and in this list find deleted files. So this is like a recycle bin, and here I can easily find my folder 16 seconds ago deleted. So let's just restore my files. Click on it and click on the restore all files. And now if I open folders, I can find here this folder. So this is how you can restore your files, images, and so on. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe and put a like under this video. And of course leave your comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.